Hey guys, it's Donna. Welcome to a product reveal video for the Haunted Paper Pack. Now this is a 6x6 double-sided paper pad, all featuring haunted Halloween images. The pack comes with 2 designs of each, and they are acid and linen-free pieces for a total of 24 pieces of papers in a pack. I have just a sample of this pack, so I don't have the entire collection, but I encourage you to check out the Whimsy Stamps website to see all of the designs in this pack. I personally was so excited when I got into these papers because my favorite card design is scene cards, and this paper pack really gives you a lot of options to create some fun and spooky scene Halloween cards. Along with the spooky scene papers, there are several of the kind of repeating pattern papers in this collection. For those, you could easily and quickly create some fun cards, just focusing on the pattern paper and adding maybe a sentiment or like a word die cut to finish off the card. I do have one card to share with you featuring one of the scene designs, and all I did for this card was to cut the pattern paper using a stitched rectangle die, and then I added a couple of the Halloween images from the stamp set called Halloweeners, and finished the card off with that fun sentiment stamped on the moon using a black dye ink. So head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog to see what the other members of the design team created with this paper pack, or head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website to see the full reveal of the new products. Thank you so much for joining me for these product reveal videos, and I will see you another time.